The public release of Claude Code version 2.1.88 reveals a software architecture capable of operating without human oversight. The leak originated from a failure in Anthropic's internal deployment toolchain, specifically following their integration of the Bun runtime and bundler. A regression identified as Bun bug 28001 caused the production build to ignore .npm ignore rules, pushing internal files directly to the public npm registry. This pushed a 59.8 MB source map into the public domain. This map allowed for the full reconstruction of over 512,000 lines of original TypeScript source code, including internal developer comments and hidden features. This operational failure provides a direct look into the unannounced logic and internal priorities of a leading AI lab. Within the reconstructed codebase, the most significant discovery is a subsystem titled the KAIROS daemon. KAIROS operates through an autonomous background process. While the standard Claude interface requires a prompt, this daemon initiates its own tasks. The code defines a blocking budget of 15,000 milliseconds. If the human user's environment remains idle for exactly 15 seconds, the hidden KAIROS daemon automatically initiates a system tick. During this window of inactivity, the software shifts from a reactive tool to an active processor, utilizing the idle time to execute internal routines. When the idle threshold is crossed, the system triggers the autoDream 4-phase loop. Phase 1, observation harvest, gathers recent edits. Phase 2, contradiction resolution, identifies logical gaps. In the dream phase, a subagent simulates architectural improvements without user intervention. The final phase, commit suggest, presents these self-healed code blocks to the user the moment they return to their workstation. While the developer is away, the system analyzes and modifies the logic of the project. The leak further reveals internal models containing code designed for active corporate competition. Located at line 301 is a flag for ghost tools. These are fake tool definitions injected into the system prompt. These definitions serve as a trap for rival labs. Competitors who use Claude's outputs to train their own models ingest these non-functional dependencies, which degrades the performance of the resulting AI. The module Undercover.ts is programmed to trigger for internal Anthropic employees. It automatically strips co-authored by metadata from Git commits and replaces AI model aliases with generic human names. These protocols allow Anthropic to influence open-source projects while bypassing AI-generated disclosure requirements. The source map also lists unreleased model code names currently in testing, including Capybara, the next speed-optimized model, and Fennec, the upcoming high-reasoning flagship. The roadmap leads to Numbat, a sovereign reasoning model featuring a 2 million token context window intended for a late 2026 launch. Beyond the roadmap, the leak has created an immediate security risk for the developer community. Malicious actors are hosting counterfeit versions of the leaked code to distribute Vidar Stealer and Ghost Socks malware. Attempting to install the leaked version from unofficial sources can lead to total credential exfiltration. As these tools become increasingly autonomous, the 2.1.88 leak raises a final question. What happens to human oversight when the software begins to act during the pauses in our own work?